So there are lots of multiverses, actually, in physics. One of them is called the inflationary multiverse, which is we have a theory of essentially what happened before the Big Bang. If you define the Big Bang really carefully as the time when the universe was very hot and very dense, and as I said, you can't argue with that because we can see it. Our best theory of how the universe got into that state is that there was a time before that, and it's called inflation. So the idea is the universe was there, in a sense, cold and empty and expanding extremely fast. And that expansion slowed down and stopped. And the energy that was driving that expansion got dumped into space, heated it up, and made all the particles out of which we're made. And that's what we call the Big Bang. It's a textbook theory called inflation. It made predictions, some of which have been tested, about the way that galaxies are distributed across the sky, because they're not just random. If you look at the galaxies, they're in sort of flows and rivers of galaxies that cross the sky in a pattern called the cosmic web. And inflation predicted that. And that theory has a kind of an extension called eternal inflation, which is that the inflation essentially goes on forever. And it just stops in little patches. And each one of those patches is basically a Big Bang and a universe.